Good morning, family. I got a speed eat because my husband got an appointment and he's still in the shower. So I came to Denny's while he's in the shower. I'm just having me some hot wings. You guys can see that. Extra blue cheese. So hopefully all is well. He can't have nothing to eat this morning. We got a procedure. So I'm gonna eat for me and him. Hopefully you guys are doing good and being amazing. I don't know. But I thought I would be able to wear makeup on this adventure. Like, I got a whole bag of makeup that I brought with me. And I can't even wear it because I can't find the time to put it on. And I'm like, you know what? The truck life, y'all. The truck life is a lot. This is the second time on this trip that I bought the hot wings from Denny's. I don't think I'm ordering them again. At first I thought it was just because they were old. But now I'm thinking Denny's is made for breakfast. And I'm not a really big breakfast person early in the morning. So, listen. The third time won't be this. It will not be this. Yeah. Y'all like my pigtails? Alright, y'all. It's my last bite. Baby should be done in the shower. We're gonna hop in the car and get our day started. I'll leave these other ones for him because I'm sure he'll be hungry after the appointment. He had to fast, so he wasn't able to eat nothing for the last 14 hours. Alright, y'all. Well, I love y'all. Y'all have a good day, okay? It's such a nice day. We're running right on schedule, y'all. But we don't need it.
I know, what you're saying. We will kind of have to walk here.
Right. Yeah.
Don't get weak on it.
Very sad. I'm at the truck stop getting into a rental car, and I seen all of these cars parked out here where people were living in their cars, and I'm praying for them, y'all. It is really sad. It could be worse, I get it, but wow. Y'all, we blessed. We're truly blessed. We gotta know and appreciate it. So grateful right now. I'm praying for the less fortunate. All right, y'all. We driving in our favorite. How you say it, baby?
La Michoacana. Taqueria, fruteria, panaderia.
Yes, honey. We gotta get us some barbacoa.
Home of the best barbacoa in Texas. I know. And I just tried a lot of it.
Yes. We've been waiting, y'all, to get here. And we're finally here. This is a meat market, so they sell a variety of meats, fruits and vegetables.
Spanish
And then
Latin meat market. They're based out of Texas, Houston, Texas.
yes.
They're growing exponentially for a reason, but they got that good stuff.
They gonna turn the car back on. He's so excited, y'all.
Hold on,
Ooh, child. This, I would tell you right now, this car is low to the ground.
I know y'all getting up. I know.
This car is low, y'all. The BMW, I don't know why I got to be so low. It's low to the ground. Can y'all see that? Baby, it feel like I got to go through a whole lot to get out. Yes, they got the music playing. All right, I'm might have to mute. I was gonna talk while I was in the store, but I might have to mute it because the music is playing and I don't want to get copyright, y'all. So but I could fast forward and that'll mess up the tunes too.
All homemade, all delicious.
All of this gonna be sped up because that music could get me blocked.
See, ma'am. Tortilla. The kind you like. La compañera.
Thank you.
Ain't what I want.
That ain't it. Let me see. Hold it up.
La campera. Tortillas. Muy,
All
muy
right.
deliciosa. got wings already seasoned, bro. The couple wings. I didn't know this. I'm learning something. Yeah, seasoned meat already got lemon pepper. Lemon pepper on the ribs. That ribs is probably good, man. The sepa. What is the barbacoa? It's in the summer. Tripa. Okay. Nada, ya.
Let me get in front of you, baby, so I can record this.
I know where it is.
Slide down, boy. I want to record the food. Thank you. Oh.
Back me right on up, y'all. Oh. Oh yes, barbacoa.
Barbacoa.
Yes.
Play or what?
I need at least a pound. You got the pound deal on barbacoa? You got the 1 pound deal? The $4.99? Got that? Oh, the chicken looks good. It is a barbacoa thing. I'm thinking. Get a pound on there.
Okay.
Nani, mete una bolsa de barbacoa, please.
She must ain't got much in there.
You bring some more. Look at them. They want to wipe it out. You put some in the pot.
Oh, we need more. More. You want it full? Or is this, how much is that one? How much? How much?
Nani, póngale cheques al precio aquí. 83. Ya. ¿Y luego? Sin sacar ticket.
Okay, put them on there.
¿Ya?
Yeah, put it up. Take the onion.
Coreano.
Onion?
Coreano.
Chili, yeah, like, much, lot. Mucho, yeah.
Mucho.
Serrano.
¿Quiere mucho?
Serrano.
We want,
Jalapeno. Yep.
good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
2 more.
2 more. The serranos or the jalapeno?
The jalapeno.
Okay, yeah.
One more. One more. One more. Jalapeno.
Okay. Now, the onions.
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. The onions. Come on.
¿Quieres cebolla?
Come on. Yep. Right. Dos más.
No more.
Okay. I'll pay for it. You don't do that. All right. Cool.
Because some of them come with it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
I mean,
Yep. And I noticed that trooping up in this motherfucker on third time. Come on, man.
all right, y'all. So we just making it to baby's building. We got an appointment that we need to keep. We need to find a parking spot. Ooh, that was close. I got you.
Smaller than looking for your ass all day.
I was not expecting her to ask us if we wanted to get a ride. I was not expecting that. That was so nice. We got our food in the bag that we just purchased because we can't eat right now, so we're going to take it in with us so the car won't keep it hot and spoil it.
I have an appointment up on my phone.
This radiology right here. Check in here. Oh.
What you gonna do?